Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Having trouble with your PS5 controller's built-in microphone? You're definitely not alone. It's a surprisingly common issue that can really put a damper on your online gaming sessions. But the good news is, there are several straightforward steps you can take to try and fix it right now. We'll walk you through the most effective solutions so you can get your voice heard again, loud and clear. Let's start with the basics. Many times, the fix is incredibly simple. Check that little mute button just below the PlayStation button on your controller. It should not be orange. A quick press can often solve the problem immediately. Also, gently inspect the microphone jack for any lint or dust, and then try completely disconnecting any headset or the USB cable and reconnecting it firmly. Sometimes, a simple refresh is all it takes. Next, let's dive into your PlayStation 5 sound settings. Go to Settings, then Sound, and select Microphone. First, confirm your DualSense controller is chosen as the active input device. Then, carefully adjust the microphone level slider. You want your voice clear, but avoid distortion. It's also wise to quickly review your privacy settings, ensure voice communication isn't restricted for your current game or party chat. Proper setup here is often key to getting your mic working. Sometimes, a software refresh or a full reset is all it takes. First, ensure your DualSense controller's firmware is completely up to date. Connect it to your PS5 with a USB cable, then check system settings for updates. Also, a full restart of your PlayStation 5 console can often clear up any temporary software glitches affecting your mic. If those don't work, try a full controller reset using the tiny button on its back, perhaps with a paperclip. This often resolves stubborn microphone issues. If you've tried all these steps and your microphone still isn't working, don't give up just yet. Try testing your controller's mic in a different game or a PlayStation party. Sometimes it's a game-specific issue. If you have access, try another PS5 controller or a different headset. This helps pinpoint if the problem lies with your controller itself. If all else fails, it might be time to reach out to PlayStation support for more personalized troubleshooting or potential hardware repair. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets your mic back online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.